Today is a good day for me, and I'll tell you why. Today is the culmination of literally a couple of years of really hard work on my jewelry range. It's something I've been wanting to do for a long time, but these things often take longer than one anticipates. There's the R&D that goes into creating a piece of jewelry. There's the artwork that goes into it. There's the manufacturing process. And of course, there's the multitude of mistakes that you make en route to a final product. So it is with great pride, and we will go through these individual items one by one, but it is with great pride that today I introduce you to the little jewelry range. I believe that this is a range that's going to do really well. I've spent my time. I've been very fussy about the artwork that's gone into it. And as a result, I've come up with a small nucleus of artwork that is going to kickstart my jewelry collection. So at the moment, we have about 20 odd designs, of which I haven't cast all of them. So we've started off with about 4 or 5 cufflinks, a few necklaces and a bangle. That's what's going to launch the range. Super excited about it all. So, I think somebody asked me the other day what motivated me to do this. And, as I get a little older in years, so to speak, I am starting to tick those boxes. Those boxes of things I always wanted to do. I've seen other examples of wildlife art, wearable wildlife art or jewelry, and I've quite confidently said to myself, I'm sure I can do that. So this is very much a ticking of the box. I thoroughly enjoyed the process. As an artist, it's always good to have something new and fresh. And although it's essentially sculpture that I've been doing, it's another form. So to actually do the artwork on these little pieces was not easy by any stretch of the imagination. Who's this jewelry range for? Anybody who wears jewelry, anybody who celebrates wildlife, particularly at this stage, African wildlife. Anybody who wants to wear what I would call wearable art. So that's the way I'd like to position myself. It's not just jewelry. It's not a mass-produced range done in some facility where there's no heart and no soul that's gone into it. This is a range that obviously won't be done en masse. So people that wear it will be wearing essentially a little piece of artwork from Africa.